There is a war going on, a war that has claimed the lives of many Americans. We are fighting in the battlefield of medical innovation against leukemia. Leukemia is a malignant disease of the bone marrow and is associated with uncontrolled proliferation of white blood cells. The art of war makes it imperative to understand our enemy. Only then we're able to defeat leukemia. We know that red blood cells carry oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from the human body, transporting it to the lungs for the person to exhale. Platelets are tiny blood cells that assist the body to form clots and diffuse potential uncontrolled bleeding. If one of the blood vessels gets damaged, platelets rush to the site and form a plug or clot to repair the injury. White blood cells are the cells of the immune system that are involved in protecting the body against both infectious disease and foreign invaders. Leukemia disrupts that pattern of operation. It attacks under the radar, and oftentimes it remains undetected until major damage has occurred. Leukemia is a very dangerous and lethal opponent. It all begins in the bone marrow where blood cells are made. As leukemic cells multiply rapidly, they will take up the majority of space in the bone marrow. Therefore, the bone marrow will not be able to supply healthy blood to the body. As the abnormal cells run out of space in the bone marrow, they will then spread into the blood. Symptoms of a decrease in healthy red blood cells include fatigue and a shortness of breath because not enough oxygen will be supplied to the lungs. A reduction in white blood cell production may lead to hazardous infections because the body will no longer be able to fight against foreign invaders. Leukemia first attacks our body's defensive positions before a total hostile takeover. The military etiquette prohibits an army from attacking medical installations, yet leukemia will not honor that code. It will attack the platelets that lead to prolonged bleeding and easy bruising. There are numerous medical approaches for treating leukemia. Treatments include chemotherapy, radiation therapy, biological therapy, targeted therapy, and stem cell transplant. Various combinations of the aforementioned treatments may be implemented. In conclusion, we need to combine our collective resources from the academic and scientific world, as well as funding, research, and medical development, to end this war once and for all. Billions have been invested in military development even when the country is in peace to protect us from unforeseen dangers. Yet a true and present danger, one that claims more lives, including lives of innocent children, than any military attack or foreign enemy, is leukemia. With the proper weapons, we need to fight this war against this lethal and aggressive adversary, and win it once and for all.